In this video, we will learn how to import data from the web into Excel. So let's get started. First, open your Excel, then go to the Data tab. In Get and Transport Data group, click on the From Web option. Then here you see one dialog box is open. Then enter here the link of web page. I just enter here and click on OK. In Navigator dialog box, have a two tab. One is table view, second is a web view. When you click on the web view, here you see total web page is just showing here, and in table view only table data show here. Excel will then analyze the web page and display the available data tables in the navigator's window. Select the table you want to import by clicking on it, and you will see the preview of the right side. Once you confirm your selection, click on the load to import data into your Excel sheet. The data from the web page will now appear in your Excel sheet. So select the table and preview of table you can see right hand side. Then click on the to import data into your Excel. The data from the web page will now appear in your Excel sheet. So you can refresh this data anytime by clicking on the refresh all. So when you click on this data, the table design tab is added. Here the see the external table data, click on the refresh and you can refresh it data easily. Okay. That's it. You have successfully imported data from the web to Excel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.